Good morning, guys. Today I get to teach you something awesome. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm going to teach you guys how to use oscillators to determine how much money should be in the market exposed to volatility in cryptocurrency. You could do this on any, obviously, altcoin or Bitcoin or Ethereum, but also tell you how much you should have in cash, in my opinion, in the form of buy limits. If you're able to understand this masterclass I'll share with you guys today, then you guys will know at any point in the market what risk management should potentially look like. And it will give you kind of a barometer to say, am I being too over, let's just cut to the chase. Am I FOMOing in? Are my emotions getting a hold of me? Or am I calculating correctly the allocation of being in the market or out of the market? Because most times people trade based off emotions. And when emotions click buttons, it kills traders. So when you've got a way to be able to determine how much should be in the market with indicators that have called previous lows, and I'll give you guys a free indicator today, by the way, in the future forecast. When you guys have that indicator, I will show you exactly how to find out how much you should have in cash or the form of buy limits and exposed to the market based off where the low is expected to be on Bitcoin. And by the way, the indicator uses multiple on-chain points of data, Pure multiple. It also uses MVRVZ score, net unrealized profit. Okay, NUPL. It takes all that. I'll give that indicator to you guys today, and then you guys actually will be able to find out the allocation. So that's the video I just came out with. So real quick, guys, in the description, go to tradeconfident.io, grab a subscription. You guys use the discount, 25% off, and it's located right here on the front. Again, tradeconfident.io. Just don't forget that as you guys are going throughout your day here. And I posted the video this morning, a full masterclass, guys, on how to read this. Really quickly, an update on Bitcoin, and this is the reason why I'll show you this here, because I think this is very important for all of you to see this. Bitcoin is currently at the exact area that it has been previously, where it broke and retested this bear flag in January 28th of 26, before we ended up seeing an absolute waterfall move of 32% drop. It's possible and probable that happens again. This same type of pattern happened back in 2022 on April 11th, where we saw the breakdown of support, the break and retest, and everyone got really excited. Right about today, going into about Friday, people got excited. We're moving back up here, and then an absolute waterfall move back down. Guys, the market makers pull out the same book many times over and over and over again. I am not trying to guarantee you that the market is going back down, but the same fractal pattern that's played out twice here is currently present. And I have many charts to show you guys that say the bottom is not in. In fact, today, when we look at these oscillators to determine how much should be in the market versus out of the market, all the oscillators that, this is unarguably, like I promise you, I will give you guys, this is an indicator on TradingView, I will give you the best on-chain indicator to find where Bitcoin's low is expected to be. I can guarantee you that, because it uses about 12 different on-chain oscillators. And if you don't believe that, I don't know what you can believe. And when you pair it up on your charts, and I show you guys how to mock up the range high and the range low, and then show you guys how to allocate your portfolio based off those indicators, and specifically this one indicator, you know how much room it has to the bottom, because it's called the Bitcoin bottoms before. And now you can chunk out percentages of where the current metric value is to the low or the high, and now you know your allocation of money in the market exposed, so you do not miss the pump back up at the bottom's end, and you have cash in the form of buy limits to catch the drop. This is going to be, it will go down as one of the most memorable future forecasts we'll ever do. Please watch this, guys. Again, I'll make this video short. Tradeconfident.io. Watch the future forecast here posted on the front page with this indecision point here, where we could be moving down quickly here or maybe short squeezing. This is where you need to learn risk management. It is literally today, and this is no April Fool's joke, okay? April 1st, watch this, tradeconfident.io. Enjoy the coupon that we give you guys for the membership, and watch this future forecast right here. And I will give you guys this indicator. I'll show you how to find it on TradingView so you can have this for the rest of this bear market. And this is not the indicator, by the way. This is another one we developed. I'm showing you guys how to do this on multiple indicators, okay? Watch this. I promise you, it will probably be the best education video you can watch this entire week before big moves happen on Bitcoin any day. I love you guys. TradeConfident.io. I'll see you guys in the membership and in this video. Bye, guys.